What if the smallest drone in DJI's lineup suddenly became powerful enough to challenge much bigger models? What if a palm-sized flying camera could deliver pro-level color, longer flight time, and smarter safety features while staying completely beginner-friendly? That is exactly why the DJI Neo 3 is creating so much buzz right now. Leaks are increasing, prototype sightings are being discussed in drone communities, and insider reports are hinting at a late 2026 launch. If these rumors are true, this tiny drone could become one of the biggest surprises of the year. DJI's Neo series has always focused on simplicity, small size, easy palm launch, and quick capture for social media. No complex setup, no heavy controller required for basic use. That's why creators, travelers, and beginners loved it. But now, DJI is preparing to take this concept much further. The biggest rumored upgrade is the camera sensor. Reports suggest the Neo 3 could move from a smaller sensor to a significantly larger one. In the world of cameras, sensor size changes everything. A larger sensor captures more light, which means better low-light performance and clearer night shots, less noise and darker indoor scenes, massive improvements to dynamic range for richer sunsets and sharper city lights. Adding to that, rumors point to 10-bit D-Log-M color support. If true, this is a game-changer for creators. 10-bit color packs more color information into every frame, giving you immense flexibility in post-production. You can adjust colors without breaking the image, build cinematic tones, and match your drone footage with your other DJI cameras much more easily. Combined with enhanced HDR recording, the Neo 3 transforms from a casual toy into a serious tool for short-form content on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Let's talk about flight time, because battery life has always been the Achilles heel of ultra-compact drones. Because they are tiny, they carry smaller batteries. However, leaks suggest the Neo 3 might offer up to 24 minutes of flight time per battery. While that might not sound huge compared to a professional enterprise drone, for a palm-sized aircraft, it is a massive leap forward. Extra minutes in the air mean more chances to get the perfect shot, less travel stress, and much better practical use for daily vlogging. Safety is another area seeing a major overhaul. Earlier Neo models relied heavily on basic forward and downward sensors. Now, rumors point to a new triaxial obstacle sensing system. For beginners, this is huge. A small mistake shouldn't lead to a costly crash. Smarter obstacle detection means the drone can safely navigate around environment blocks during autonomous tracking shots, giving casual users total peace of mind. Connectivity is also getting a massive boost. Some reports suggest the Neo 3 could feature DJI's O4+ video transmission system, pushing the range up to 10 kilometers in ideal conditions. That means a crystal clear live view, rock-solid connection stability, and zero signal drop in tough environments. While competitors like Hover are pushing automation in the lightweight creator space, DJI still holds the ultimate trump card, its ecosystem. The app experience, software stability, flight algorithms, and long-term support are simply unmatched. Here's my honest take. If the Neo 3 launches with a larger sensor, 10-bit color, better obstacle sensing, and 24-minute battery life while keeping a reasonable price, it will easily be the most popular beginner drone of 2026. It all comes down to pricing. If DJI keeps it affordable, it's a runaway success. If it creeps too high, users might look elsewhere. Right now, nothing is officially confirmed, but the smoke is thick and something exciting is definitely on the way. What single feature would make you upgrade to the Neo 3? Is it the larger sensor, the battery life, or the safety system? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.